Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Polynomials. The given question is find P0, P1 and P2 for the following polynomial, and the given polynomial is Px is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. So guys, let us see how we can solve this type of questions. Question has given us here this polynomial Px is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1, and question is asking us to find the values for P0, P1 and P2. Guys, finding out the values for these polynomial are very simple and very straightforward and very easy. So let us see how quickly and how easily we can find the values for the given polynomial. Let us work out in this tabular form. Let us work out for the given polynomial in this tabular form so that we can answer this question easily without committing any errors. So in the first column we can work out for when x is equal to x is equal to 0, that is P0 will come here. When in the second column, when x is equal to 1, that is P1 will come into question. And in the third column, when x is equal to 2, that is we will work out for P2. Hope guys I am very clear till here. Now coming to the first column, Px is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1, x minus 1 into x plus 1. This is what is being given. Or I can write P0, just working out for 0 when the value of x is 0. So I can write out P0 is equal to 0 minus 1 into 0 plus 1. What guys I'm doing here? I have just replaced the value of x by 0. Or I can write P0 is equal to 0 minus 1 is minus 1, 0 plus 1 is plus 1. Or I can write P0 is equal to minus 1. How? Minus 1 into plus 1, it became minus 1. Now let us focus on the second column. For second column, Px is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. Now, or I can write P1 is equal to 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1. What I am doing here guys? I have just replaced the value of x by 1. Or I can write P1 is equal to 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 2. Or I can write P1 is equal to 0. P1 is equal to 0. Hope guys I am very clear till here. Now let us focus on the third column. Px is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. Or I can write P2 is equal to 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 1. What I did here guys, I just replaced the value of x by 2. Or I can write P2 is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. Or I can write P2 is equal to 3. This is what we got. So we got our answers. Let us quickly analyze our answers and let us wrap it up. So when the value of x is 0, that is for P0. When the value of x is 0, that means P0 is equal to minus 1 we are getting. When the value of x is 1, that is for P1, we are getting P1 is equal to 0. Now for the value of x, when the x is equal to 2, that means for P2, we are getting P2 is equal to 3. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward. But still if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.